Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page. We can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is perfect if you do a lot of shipping or you run a small business, and it is a postal scale. This is the model IPS01, and it was sent over by a company called MUNBYN. I absolutely love their products. They're really great for small businesses. They have a ton of different options. And this little postal scale, once you open it up, you are obviously going to get a user manual. It's pretty self-explanatory. We're gonna go over all the features right here. Now, they're also gonna include a nice little measuring tape here that you can also, like, it's one of those ones that you can use around clothes, and it has the centimeters in the inches. Very, very convenient when measuring packages. And then you are going to get the scale itself. Now, this scale operates on two types of power sources. On the back side, it does have a slot for 3 AAA batteries, which are included, or you can actually plug it into an AC adapter. So if you are on the go and you're not near an outlet, you can utilize this, but if you're kind of using it in the same spot and you want to just keep it plugged in to save the batteries, you can do that as well, which is really, really nice. Now, as you can see, it's very nice and compact. To give you an idea of the size here, it's about 6 inches wide. It's about 9 3/4 inches long, and it's about 2 inches from the bottom to the top. It does have those little rubber feet in here that keeps it from sliding around, so you don't have to worry about knocking it. And then it's gonna have lots of different modes. So on the front, you're gonna have 3 little buttons. You're gonna have the power button in the T mode, which is for tar. So let's say you are measuring something that is got in a jar. So let's say you have a jar of marbles and you're only shipping the marbles, but you don't want them going everywhere. You can put on the jar, you hit that tar button, it's going to subtract the weight of the jar, and then you put your marbles on and you know how much your actual marbles weigh. Then the next button is going to be the mode button. Now this is going to go through all the different sizes. So the main one is perfect for the US Postal System. It does the pound in the ounces. Press it, you can do the kilograms, you can do it in grams, you can do it in just pounds, or you can do it in just ounces, and then you're back to the beginning again. And then next to that is going to be the PCS button. That is pieces. So how does that work? If you have a bunch of things, so we'll go back to the marble aspect of things, you can simply hold that down for 2 seconds, and then you'll notice it's gonna pop up a size. The sizes are gonna be 25, 50, 75, and 100. You can change those by selecting the mode button. Once you've selected, let's say you want 50, go ahead and hit the PCS button again, and that's going to save that. Now, at that point, when you put in your marbles, it's going to be able to calculate exactly how many. So if you have, let's say, 60, it'll know that. You can set your default as 25 marbles, and it'll be able to do the counting math for you. I don't use that feature a lot. I use it straight for weighing, but obviously, if you are shipping out a lot of little things, it can be very, very useful because you can quickly basically load it up and figure out how many pieces you specifically have. Another nice feature it does have, so I have a little rock here. Simply press that down. As you can see, this rock is essentially 2 pounds. Now, the light will start blinking. Once you pick it up, it will hold. So it does have a hold feature, which is super nice aspect of it. So that way you don't, as soon as you pick it up, if you didn't look, then you have to put everything back down. It will keep it there, which is another nice aspect of this little scale, that little automatic hold after 3 seconds. But overall, it can hold a maximum of 66 pounds. So it can pretty much hold a lot of stuff. Whether you are utilizing this in the kitchen, you can utilize it for that. Whether you are utilizing this like for shipping like I do, it's very, very versatile. Totally worth checking out if you are in the market for a nice little postal kitchen scale. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.